learning platform to your students or an education platform, online education platform to your students. So don't waste your whole money keeping on some kind of other service providers. You can install Moodle on your server and you can run. This is a open source free LMS. You can install this one, and meanwhile for securing the videos you can go and you can see Bunny CDN also, where exactly it will give you in a minimum price. It will provide a DRM solution for you, as well as if not, you can go with QN code also, which is also have a HLS converter. You can upload the videos by itself. It will convert the videos into different types of resolutions, as well as it will encrypt the videos so no one can easily download the videos. I'm not sure that those are not downloadable, but 99% they will try to stop the downloading the videos. So Moodle is the best thing to launch your website. If you have any queries how to launch and whatever the things you need, just you can drop me in the comments.